Greetings, MBAP 516 Organizational Leadership and Behavior students. This is the introductory video to assignment number 2, which continues our exploration of the concept of leadership in organizations. There are 3 articles that are assigned for this week. The first article is by Tichy and Ulrich, in which the authors explore the concept of transformational leadership, or leadership that involves trying to make dramatic and fundamental changes to the very nature of an organization. So the concept of transformational leadership is discussed. Also, forms of resistance that transformational leaders often encounter when trying to make changes. And then finally, the authors discuss some methods that transformational leaders can use to be effective at enacting their changes and the goals and missions and strategies of the organization. The second article is by Shine, and it's called The Learning Leader as Culture Manager. In this article, Shine introduces the concept of organizational culture and how that relates to leadership. Specifically, Shine argues that a leader's roles will evolve and change as an organization goes through a life cycle, beginning with an entrepreneurial stage, at the time of the organization's initial creation, leading through a growth stage and early maturity stage where the organization is rapidly changing and evolving, which requires a different set of leadership skills. And last but not least, leadership in the mature and or declining stage of an organizational life cycle. Last but not least, we have an article by Goleman, which introduces the concept of emotional intelligence and how that relates to effective leadership. Goleman conducted research that he claims shows that emotional intelligence is a very important characteristic for a leader to have, more important than traditional cognitive intelligence as measured by IQ scores, and more important than technical skills. So there's kind of an in-depth exploration of what emotional intelligence is and why it is important for leaders to cultivate their emotional intelligence. Good luck with the assignment number 2 readings.